Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Irish potato soup. I found this bag of potatoes here in Ireland at Aldi for 49 cents. So I'm going to turn it into one of my favourite soups that I've been enjoying lately with all these lovely Irish potatoes. With just a few more ingredients, it makes such a lovely, hearty, comforting meal. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as ideas for lots more ingredients. There's only 4 or 5 ingredients in this recipe, but you can add in lots more, which will be in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And also make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely Irish potato soup a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So I've got a kilo of Irish potatoes, that's about 2.2 pounds, and this whole bag was just 49 cents. So this is a super budget friendly meal. So I'm going to get these peeled and chopped and also see to some onion and garlic. I've chopped up an onion and a whole lot of garlic. I think there's about 4 cloves of garlic there. We're a big believer in the more the merrier when it comes to garlic. So I've chopped those up, and I've also peeled and chopped up the whole kilo of potatoes into roughly the same sized pieces. And now we're going to get cooking. Start by heating olive oil, coconut oil or butter in a saucepan, and when it's nice and hot we'll get our onion and garlic cooking. So just pop all that onion and garlic into the saucepan and toss it around and cook it until it starts to soften. Once it's nice and softened, pop over the chopped potatoes and give it a good stir through. Now is when I like to add my seasoning, and a generous few shakes of salt. You can add pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste. Then pour over a cup of milk, and then pour over stock or broth or water to just cover the potatoes. You want them all submerged, but only just in the liquid. Then bring it up to the boil, and once it's boiling, reduce it down to a simmer and let it gently simmer away for 20 to 25 minutes or until the potato is nice and soft and mashable, which I will show you next. The soup's been gently bubbling away for about 20-25 minutes, and all the potatoes have softened, and if you just squash it against the side it just becomes mash, and that is ready now, so we can take it off the heat. So I've taken the soup off the heat, and I like to use a potato masher, but you could use an immersion blender if you want instead. I like a nice thick chunky soup, and then just get to work mashing the potatoes so that they're as smooth or as chunky as you like it. Oh, I'm happy with the creaminess of that soup. Look at that. Still some nice chunky bits of potato, but it's lovely and creamy. So I'm going to serve it out into bowls now. And there you go. I've got a perfect portion of my creamy, chunky Irish potato soup served out. You can top it with some herbs if you want, for some greens. You can serve it with some sourdough, some Irish soda bread, or just enjoy it by the comforting spoonful. Look how beautiful and thick that is. It is so full of flavor, so simple with just those few ingredients that you saw, and it makes such a lovely, nourishing, hearty, comforting soup. But that is the video for today for how to make this lovely Irish potato soup. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely soup a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.